Hi, my name is Amos of kebefx and today is the 12th of the 2nd 2014 and just making a quick video record on the type of setup that I trade, and we are looking today at AUDUSD USD on 1 hour time frame. AUDUSD USD on 1 hour time frame, and we'll be looking at a formation called kebefx 1 2 3 4, in which we got a bar, 4 bar in one straight move, 1 bar continuously moving, and we got a pullback, and the bars have to be 4 consecutively, and then we got a pullback in which we'll look for the kebefx 1 2 3 4 kind of candle formation to trade. And it is so important that you know the level in which you're taking this trade. Where is this formation happening is so important, and 2 factors to look for: where is it happening, and because I have what we call grid on my charts, I use it as well to determine whether to take the trade or not. And the grids were blend to the chart is for me to look very well. Then I can say it, because I don't like indicators, I don't like too much lines on my charts. And let's get into it. This is on 1 hour time frame of the USD, as I said earlier. And the interesting thing is that, and the way I look into it and I like it most, is that when it's happening at the top of a move. For example, this one moved nicely upward, and after the nice upward, we got the stall, the market stall around there, and the market stall around there, range, and it started to drop down. And look at that, it gave you like a 2 pin bar, but that's not what I'm looking for. But after that, I do this green candle, which is like a pullback for that. But the most important one is this 4 candles, because remember, we're looking for 1 2 3 4 kebefx kind of candle formation. This is the first one that is happening at the end of this move. So it's happening at the top. There's nothing in this area. There's no market activities in these areas. There's nothing here. This is the last move, the last swing up, and the market couldn't go up, and market stalled around that area. And it gave us 4 candles in a row. Then we see this pullback. That's where we will stay to take our trade. Sometimes I do take a trade at the body of the pullback candle. This is also applied to uptrend. When we try to take the uptrend trade, is the same thing, it's vice versa of what I'm doing here. So now we go 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 candle here, right? Then we got this pullback. So we have to be patient and wait and take our trade, whether there or by the weeks, whichever way you want, aggressive or conservative, right? That's what exactly is happening here. And I put, because it's 1 hour time frame, it's not so too big, right? So I put my stop loss right there at the end of the last action that happens on this nice uptrend, right? So my target usually have to be around here, but I'm looking into it that you have to be managed closely. You need to monitor this trade closely, because that's what I put that one there. I'll be monitoring it closely, though I put my final take profit around here, because I'm looking at it that the market may come down to that area and break through and cover back this candle that happens before. So, but you never know, the market is going to do what it's going to do. So that's what I put it there, that take profit will be monitored. Take profit will be monitored closely. So I could close out the trade around here, but If not, I'll wait until the market gets around here. I'm not sure if I'll be able to update the outcome of the trade, but I would like to update the outcome of the trade anytime, any day. And it's a live trade at the moment. As you can see, the market is pushing a little bit in my favor. It's one of my favorite setup, and I said, let me share with you. It may help, because if you look at it in this area, the market ends here, right? That's what I said to you. You need to look at the area where it's happening. I'm not going to give away that at the moment. Why? But you need to look at the area where it's, you should be looking out for my. I'll be doing a book or a video completely on what you should be looking for, right, when you trade in this formation. It's so important. So I didn't take it. I didn't go for it when it happens here, because we were 1, 2, 3, 4 here. But I didn't go for it because there's a reason for that. The area where it's happening is so important. So you need to know that, and before you check it. So if you keep watching, you will learn it. That's all about my website. That's all of my website is for you to see how I trade and take your trade the way I take it, or you modelize it the way you want. You can customize it the way you want, but if you look proper, you will see the way I always take my trade. It's so important. Not that just because you see the 4 candles, then you'll be jumping into trade. Because at the beginning of this video, I said it. The 2 factors is where it's happening and the grid I blend to the chart. It's just so important for me when I'm taking this formation. And I hope this will help someone, and I hope again that I will be able to update the outcome of this trade due to my busy schedule. Thanks for listening. Bye. Hello there again. My name is Amos of kebefx.com, and it's a quick update on a trade I showed you earlier regarding the kebefx 1, 2, 3, 4 formation, in which the formation will happen at the top of or at the bottom of a move. In this instance, is at the top of the move, at the end of this up move, and we have the formation called KB 1, 2, 3, 4 FS formation, in which we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 same candle in a row. From there, we look for the pullback, and the area in which it's happening is so important, and what type of candle formation is important, and we look for this when it's happening at a certain area, certain level. In this stance, it's happening at the end of this nice move up, and we have that formation forming. As I said before, here we have the 4 candles, but I didn't go for the trade for a reason, in which I will be doing in a future video. I didn't take that because there's a reason for that, but this one is taken, is the first one, and it's taken, and this is the outcome of the trade. If you remember, I took the trade here, and everything is still as it is on the chart, and that is my target. That was the target, and the target has been reached. And even we have more movement downward, we choose to be there and take more, but conservative trader, that's where I put my pending order. My take profit, and the take profit has been hit, and it has been a successful trade. As we see when we took the trade here, there's another hesitation. As I said in one of my videos, most of the time markets spend its time in consolidation area. You see there, we took the trade here, it started to consolidate here, hesitation, and what happened? And the market moved strongly in our favor. And what is it doing at the moment? Forming the consolidation. That's what it does every time. It spends most of its time consolidating and before you make the moves. So this has been a successful trade again, and I said, okay, let me decide to share with you and update you on the trade. The trade has been taken, and it's successful one again. Thanks for watching. Bye.